Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. My name is Bhargavi Pathak and today we are going to learn about a very big and important metropolitan city of India, and that is lesson number 15 of your SST textbook, that is Chennai. Children, in this chapter you will learn the location of Chennai, then the language spoken in Chennai, the climate and the types of industries in Chennai, about the various places which are worth visiting in Chennai, and the most important, the main festival of Chennai. So let's get started, children. Chennai is another very big and important metropolitan city of India. Earlier, it was known as Madras. Now, regarding the location of Chennai, Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. It is located on the southeastern coast of India. It faces the Bay of Bengal. It has a very big port, children. Many big and small ships bring goods from other countries here. Large quantities of goods are also carried from our country to other countries from here. Now coming to the government of Chennai, the governor, the chief minister and other ministers of Tamil Nadu government live in Chennai. All other state government offices are also located in Chennai. The language which is the main spoken in Chennai is the Tamil language. Mostly the people living in the Chennai speak Tamil language. Now coming to the food, children, rice is the main food of the people. They eat it with sambar and curd. They like to eat idli, upma, vada and dosa. Coming to the climate of Chennai, children, the climate of Chennai is very hot throughout the year. It gets more rain in winters. People mostly wear cotton clothes throughout the year. As it is very hot, children, so people usually wear cotton clothes, okay, because cotton clothes prevent us from heat and sunlight. They keep us cool. Now coming to the industries, children, as it is a metropolitan city, there are a large number of industries where electrical goods, cotton and silk cloth, motor cars, bikes, bicycles and railway coaches are manufactured. Manufacture means, children, where they are produced, okay. There are things related to electrics, then cotton and silk clothes are manufactured, then vehicles like motor cars, bicycles, even railway coaches are also manufactured, okay. Chennai also has an oil refinery. What is the meaning of refinery, children? Refinery means the oil, all the impurities of the oil are purified, okay. Oil is purified, that is called refinery. Tanks are manufactured at Audi in Chennai. The tanks which are used in wars with other countries or armies, that are also manufactured at Audi in Chennai. Chennai has a very well-known film industry. It produces Hindi and Tamil films. It is also very famous for the film industry, children. Now, coming to the famous buildings and places, children, there are many beautiful places in Chennai. Okay, in the picture you can see the Marina Beach. The Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. Moreover, it is the second longest beach in the world also, children. In India, it is on the first rank, whereas in the world, it comes in the second number, second longest beach in the world. Next is the VGP Golden Beach, which is a very popular among children. Why? Because it has number of swings and toy trains. Okay. Other places which are worth visiting are the Kapaleshwar temple, children, and the Parthsarathi temple. Here you can see they are very well known for their stone carvings and gopurams, children. Okay. Other places are St. Thomas Cathedral is there. Then Fort St. George is there. Snake Park is there. Gandhi Mandapam is there. And many more places are there in Chennai. Now, coming to the festivals, a number of festivals are celebrated in Chennai. The most important festival is Pongal. It is celebrated for 3 days. Coming to music and dance, people of Chennai are lovers of music and dance. Carnatic music is very popular in Chennai. Bharatnatyam is the most popular dance form of Chennai. Now children, here almost we have completed with the chapter. Once again, let us recall about the chapter, children. Okay. Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is warm throughout the year. Pongal is the most popular festival of Chennai. And people of Chennai are lovers of music and dance. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Thank you very much.